And let's see what's happened to positions. And let's see. Same disk again up. Interesting. Same disk. Next WDC. Up as well. Every day is up and down, up and down. You see here was support 425 and right now 467, but same disk literally unstoppable. Again up 1600. Put in comments yes in chat. Can it go up more? Chat is open, yes. Easily can go up. Let's see indexes. SPX. Today up and went down after that. Nasdaq. And let's see futures. Let me show you futures. Futures are down today for SPX. Let's see Nasdaq and Q. Yes, in previous videos we discussed about options. Watch previous videos. Down as well. Let's see Nvidia. Nvidia earnings report to last week, I think. Today is up. Yes, subscribe, give like to this video. We discuss how to make money. You see earnings report next week, August 26th. We'll see how much money you can make. Let's see Soho. Yes, we discussed covered calls, credit spreads. Soho is up 2% up. Yes, subscribe, give like to this video. We discuss how to make money. Soho is up. Look, it's going up more and more. Can it go up? This support line, this next 157 and 145 here. Can it go up? Yes. Yes, hello. Yes, put in chat what stocks did you buy, how much money did you make, share your experience, and don't forget subscribe, give like to this video, and see how many shorts we have. We post every day and we go live many times a day. Okay, that's why yes, subscribe, give like. Different topics: real estate, how to buy without down payment, stocks market. We have marriage agency as well, insurance, different type of properties, and we have different speakers. Okay, let's subscribe, give like to this video, and let's see leaders market updates
in crypto. Bitcoin up 50%, and the AI hyperscales as far as like a semiconductor short and trying to time things and pick the hot dot, tough to do, and we don't recommend it on any level.
So you're back to long term,
and let's see today's
plan.
Walmart.
And would you in fact hold stocks and bonds, which was the original 60-40 plan, and put in other things like crypto?
Wow, Walmart, wow, went down, tank. Take a look.
Now, what would be most heavily weighted?
What happened to Walmart?
Equities, maybe within the equities.
Yeah, I think what's happened, unfortunately, with the 60-40
right now, Walmart level of
bonds and equities correlate moving in the same direction,
of
down or up.
25, you see?
The traditional 60-40 investor
wow,
doesn't know
if you know,
to
put
do.
it in comments.
And that is why there's just such a huge rise.
And don't forget, go to our account, subscribe,
exactly what it is, an alternative to something,
and give like.
So alternative investors like private credit,
we have a lot of videos
and other areas, infrastructure funds have just been on the rise on multiple levels. So the 60-40 is turning into like a 60-20-20.
All indexes are down.
Where alternative to bonds getting
yes, go here and subscribe.
And helping investors
go here.
Navigate a very,
we have many speakers.
Bond market, especially with yields on the rise and bond values dropping. So
and you can see we have a lot of videos
we leaned into that over the past few years
on different topics. You
And
can
look,
see
you're
all our
using
topics.
history as a metric to say for the long term
Go
you'll be
subscribe.
okay and maybe you sleep better at night. It
It's for
certainly
free.
makes
You
sense.
have free.
At the same time,
And this is live.
we're watching inflation. We're watching oil back to over $88, and you noted the mixed
Yes,
economic
like.
prints we're getting, and we're waiting on the Fed. What will the Fed do between now and the
Yes,
end
let's
of the
discuss.
year? For the
First of
short
all,
term, what say you? What's important to you? Are you expecting any sort of pullback, or are you worried about the headwinds?
Well,
communication
I think
energy
it's
is up,
very easy to lose sight of what's going on.
but
here.
financial is down.
There was some cracks. You looked at the jobs report that just came out. It was negative 23,000. May and June were revised down 103,000. Retail sales fell as well, and people started saying, "Oh, here we go." But
Yeah, subscribe, give like,
again,
put in
you
comments
have
what
to-
stocks did you
gotta
pay,
keep-
how much money did you
this
make.
in context, we have an earnings season that
Apple.
just came out with earnings growth at like 30%. That's coming off of another earnings growth on the first quarter of like 26%.
Apple is unstoppable.
Nothing
It's going
short
up.
of incredibly historic earnings numbers. Nothing that
Yeah,
keeps-
subscribe, give like to this video,
well, we're buying on
and
the
you
dips
can win
where-
500.
Where really, when you have big run-ups, we're selling,
We have
protecting
lottery.
those monies, and when you have areas that are dropping,
Same
yeah, we're
list.
buying. Some people call it rebalancing. Some people call it buying on the dips. There's many ways you can term it, but we feel
We recommended
strong about
many
the
times
market. We
ago
feel
about
pretty
this
good about it.
Soho.
There's not a lot that you can
Right
point
now,
to
you see what's happening.
besides geopolitical events that are really
Right.
structurally a problem.
It's very
Just
risky,
quickly
up and
on
down.
Bitcoin,
Put in comments,
we
what do
now
you think?
have, John Thune,
Will it go up or
representative, really
down?
pushing forward, and now it's my understanding that
From here.
there's been 90% acceptance.
Yeah, subscribe,
on
give
both
like to
sides
this
of the
video.
aisle, that this may actually, the Clarity Act may go
From
into law
USA,
September 15th. That would be a
America,
bright spot for crypto.
New York.
For crypto back above 70,000 here.
But
That's
anybody
something when
can
we talk
trade
about
and make
60,
money.
2020, that would go in one of the 20s. Some of your
Take a
thoughts
look here.
long term on crypto. Should folks have that long term in their portfolio? Where do
No,
you think it could be
crypto is
headed?
very risky.
Crypto, and really as of late, has become one, specifically with the Trump administration and regulation dropping. It is there. It's part of our economy. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. We're not
Bitcoin is very
saying
risky.
that it won't
Let's
be,
see.
but let's not forget, crypto on many levels is still a speculative investment.
Yes,
This is
37% down.
it just was at 120, dropped down to 60. That's a 50% drop.
What's happening? What do you think? Will it go down? Put in chat. What do you think?
We like crypto. We like the surrounding technology around it. We believe it's here and going to move into the future. But there's a lot of consolidation and a lot of moves that are going to happen going forward with crypto. So that is a proceed with extreme caution.
All right.
Take a look at his
Robert
financial
Cotto,
stuff.
thank you so much. Great to see you, Robert. The Wealth Alliance. And we'll continue our conversation here on Bitcoin and look at IBIT, the iShares of Bitcoin ETF, with Rick Ducat, our lead market technician. Good morning, Rick. Take a look at the chart for us, please.
Yes, good morning. Bitcoin
Nvidia
on the
up and
move today
down.
with, President Trump urging Congress to pass the Clarity Act.
What do you think?
Other factors as well.
Nvidia
We
can
see,
do.
It's been a rocky road recently for IBIT, down 37.6% during the past 251 days. Meanwhile, SPX up 20% here. So if we were to
Take a
look
look
at
at
some
Nvidia.
of these other companies in this crypto space, obviously the move is kind of strengthening them across the board today here. So we can see names like Strategy, Coinbase, Circle, Marathon, etc. These are all seeing a bit
Bitcoin is
of a bounce here
down.
so far. So when we do think about our candle chart here for IBIT specifically, the
No,
prevailing
Forex?
theme for
No, I don't
quite a
do
while
Forex.
was a
Only
downward
traditional American
sloping
market.
trend line here that was broken today pretty convincingly. So today's candle has gapped up here. We're up 4.3% on the day so far. So some upside levels to watch for include a small upside move during our most recent severe decline near 42, old lows and subsequent highs near 44, and then a repeated low point here that then became resistance roughly near about 47 or so. Meanwhile, to the downside, we had a range for a couple months here
It's
between
down.
about 33
Need
to
to close this
38 or
position.
so. So that stands out.
All
as an
links
area
in
to watch out
description,
for
how
if
to
we do
start.
to
Subscribe,
retreat.
give like
This
to these
stands
videos,
out as a
okay?
place where you might see,
We have
things
all
start to
details. See in
solidify and
description.
bulls may take a stand around that area.
Link
So when we
to all
assess our
registrations.
moving average situation here, We have
Oh my
crossed
God,
above
it's
our
down.
moving averages in very quick succession here. Our 5-day, 21-day, and 63-day EMAs all come together between about
Let's
37
discuss
and
right
30.
now. Trading patterns, I'll show you, and show you how to trade. You can watch all of them, how to trade properly, and all links in description, how to open, use my link and you could get bonus $100. Trading patterns, we discussed now. Patterns. Let's see, step by step, together. You see this type of patterns. Ultimate chart. And when you use no patterns, you know how to trade properly.
Now, what does the double top tell you from a price action standpoint?
Let's see.
Price failed to make a higher high, but instead made a same high, which shows a loss of momentum from the uptrend, meaning a loss of momentum from the buyers in the market. Now, going the other way. You first have your moving downtrend. Price then makes two same lows. The bottoms essentially make a support level. This swing high here forms the neckline. Now, what does the double bottom tell you in terms of price action? Price failed to make a lower low, but instead made a same low, which shows a loss of momentum from the downtrend, meaning a loss of momentum from the sellers in the market. So, this then brings us to our next question, which is, how do we use the double top and double bottom pattern as part of our overall strategy? Also, right now, go to the comment section below
Wow.
and tell us exactly what topics and questions you want us to cover, as we always look at the comments to decide what to create next. Now, these are the 4 core variations to using the double top and double bottom pattern. Let's start with the first, which is the neckline break entry. So you first have your double top pattern that forms. Neckline here because of the recent swing low. Now, once price breaks the neckline and makes a lower low, you would take a breakout entry short, as the reversal and trend change is now confirmed. Going the other way. You first have your double bottom pattern that forms. Neckline here because of the recent swing high. Now, once price breaks the neckline and makes a higher high, you would take a breakout entry long, as the reversal and trend change is now confirmed. So, moving on to the second variation, a double top or double bottom pattern forming at a key level. Now, this is an entry that occurred on Ethereum, and one that many of our members took. So you first need to identify a key level, which you have through these 3 reversal points. As price comes back down, it creates a double bottom pattern at the support level. So again, to confirm the reversal, neckline placed at the recent swing high, and once price breaks through the neckline and makes a higher high, your trend change from a downtrend to an uptrend is confirmed, and you would then take trade entries long through the lower intraday timeframes. Now, to point something out, there was another trend change confirmation you could have used, which was placing a trend line like this, connecting the swing highs, and again, waiting for the breakthrough before looking for trade entries long. Now, going the other way.
Simple.
Again, you first need to identify a key level, which you have through this reversal point here, giving you your resistance level. As price comes back up, it creates a double top pattern right at the
Wow.
resistance level.
It's down. You see?
So again, to confirm the double top reversal, neckline placed at the recent swing low here, and once price breaks through the neckline and makes a lower low, your trend change from an uptrend to a downtrend is confirmed, and you would then take trade entries short through the lower intraday timeframes. This is also a very good example of the many different opportunities there are to enter trades. Some would have entered short right at this point here. Others would have entered short right at this point here, where pattern traders wouldn't enter until the double top pattern formed and then the break of neckline here. All are correct. There are multiple different ways to enter trades based on your style. So what does the double top or double bottom pattern at a key level tell you from a price action standpoint? This kind of entry is of higher quality because you're not just trading a pattern on its own, but a pattern that is also at a key level, which means you also have support and resistance traders looking to enter along with pattern traders, which helps create
Next time we
momentum
discuss all of
for
them.
the trade
Trade with
and
plot.
increases
Okay,
trade
subscribe, give
quality.
like. See you next.
So moving on to the third variation, a double top or double bottom pattern, but instead of taking the breakout